Hey video, I will show you step by step how to remove malware from your WordPress website using the powerful Wordfence Security plugin. All without needing any coding skill. Let's clean that website up. Step 1, install Wordfence. So first go to plugin section and click on add plugin and then search Wordfence security firewall malware and login security, and click on install now and click on activate. Okay, and now it is asking for Wordpress license etc. So click on install existing license, or if you do not have, then click on get new license. So I am trying for free license. Get free license. uh, it is asking for premium, but I do not want. I want only free license. So at here give email ID etc. and click on checkbox and then register. If you want alert etc. then select yes, otherwise select no. You almost done, and your license key has been sent to email ID. Email to complete installation. You also request free keys on the license page when logged in to WordPress. Okay, then I will check my license key etc. at here. Now I got license key from Wordfence, and my email ID at here is connected with this licenses mr.sandeepmcsct@gmail.com. Yes, install license. Free license installed. Go to dashboard. Now our one step done. Now in the second step, go to Wordpress scan. Now we are at scan and click on start new scan. It will scan all core files, plugin, theme for any malware or suspicious code. So it will take some time, so wait and watch. Now in step 3, review scan result. After the scan complete, you will see a list of issue. Pay close attention to critical issue These usually indicate malware or file tampering. So at here it is 43 result, and some data is critical and some is, so you can also choose delete all deletable files, and you can also click on repair all repairable files. You can directly click at here, like the plugin WP Graph need upgrade, and WP control WP chat app need upgrade. So there are lots of thing at here. uh, Click on delete all deletable files. So at here you can see some are critical error, and some are medium error, and some are low. So like at here it is saying that the plugin advanced page visit counter has been removed from WordPress version, but it is still installed on your WordPress site, so plugin removed. So it is saying for removed, but we want this add-on, so we will not do this. So like some are for upgrade, so update your add-on which want upgrade. So one by one check all issue. If any file uh, any file you check, any file you think like some file uh, uh, if you found some file in the core, then download that WordPress version and replace those file mainly in include and admin folder. uh, I mean if you found some code in change inside admin and include folder, then just zip those file and replace via FTP or via cpanel directly. Just zip those file and replace directly via cpanel. And for handle these issue, you can update so that it will be fixed. And now go to step 6, change your password after cleanup. Change all your password, but like WordPress no like WordPress admin password, FTP password, database password, and email account password, so that just to be safe, so that no one can hack your site directly. And in step 7, enable firewall and login security. So for that, go to WordPress firewall section, in the previous step, I am doing one thing, like I am going at here, and this issue is was coming at here for update. So I am doing update, and before update etc, you must uh, take backup of your file via update plus or other which you want. So like at here it is saying need an upgrade 5.8 to 6.60. So I am at here and update now. And this is also showing for update. So now you can go at here and mark as fixed. So it will fixed. Now it is fixed. So for these issue you can fix one by one, and if any issue is also inside Wordpress think like it is a deletable file and a repair error file, then it will be enabled, and it will be solved in one click if this type of file is available. So now go to step 7, go to click on firewall, and then click on optimize firewall. Okay, now click on manage firewall at here. It is inside firewall section. So click on manage firewall and click on optimize the Wordpress firewall. To make your site secure, possible variable designed to run PHP setting called or auto prepare file when ensure it run before any potentially vulnerable code run. Okay, please download backup of your studio for download stxs file. Okay, now continue. Nice, firewall is now optimized. Now 7th step is done, and now for click on login security, and at here you can also enable 2FA. Now you can enable 2FA role etc at here. So at here you can also select 2FA for administrator, editor, author, contributor etc. So like I am enabling 2FA for editor, and click on save. So all editor will be required 2FA, and that's it. Your site is now clean and protected from future attack using Wordfence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more WordPress security tips. Thanks for watching.